Hello students, welcome to you all again. Today we are going to start the remaining chapter. So from the point number 12, page number 3rd. Then I sat down cautiously. The armchair was solid. I did not dare to get into the bed. So I sat down on my armchair, which was made by solid wood. Very curiously, with my curiosity, I was sat on my armchair. So I did not dare to get into the bed. I have no dare to go to sleep. So, however, the night was advancing, and I finally come to the conclusion that I was being foolish. So, night was increasing, it is going on, and I finally come to my final decision that I was being foolish by my friends. So, I was certain that my friends were spying on me, waiting for the success of whatever joke they had prepared. I was certain that I was sure that my friend were spying on me. They are investigating a joke on me, waiting for the success of their prank, which was made by them on me. They are waiting for their success. So but in that case, in that case, they must have been laughing their heads off at my terror. So, but in that case, they must have been laughing their heads off. So, in that case, they were laughing a lot, and when they were laughing, the terror at my terror, it was get off. I could not let them have so much fun at my expense. So I could not let them make fun that they are uh, thinking they want to make fun of my expense. So I made up my mind to go to bed. But the bed was particularly suspicious looking. But when I start going to sleep, so I went near the bed and the bed was looking so suspicious. It was looking so doubtful. They have made some prank on the bed. I was thinking. So I pulled at the curtains. So I pulled at the curtains. They seem to be secure. So, but they are looking secure. All the same, there was danger, but all that the same, but I was thinking that there was some danger, there must be, and I am sure that there must be a some prank. Perhaps I was going to receive a cold shower from overhead. To what that I was going to receive a cold shower overhead, or perhaps the moment I stretch myself out, I would find myself sinking to the floor with my mattress. Or perhaps the moment I stretched myself out. So, when the time was passing, so every moment to stretch myself and I would overcome. I want to be overcome of that moment. So, with this, I would find myself sinking to the floor with my mattress. So where I was lying on the floor with my mattress, I was sinking on my mattress. मैं सिकुड़ कर अपने बिस्तर में सिकुड़ता जा रहा था. I stretched in my memory for all the practical joke I had ever experienced, and I was thinking all the practical jokes which I have experienced in my life before. I did not want to be caught, and I was thinking all that jokes which I ever experienced in my life, in which I was want to be I did not want to be caught. Oh, certainly not, certainly not. So in that joke, certainly I was not caught by anyone. Then I suddenly thought of a precaution which could ensure my safety. So now I am suddenly thought of the precaution which I have to take to ensure myself safe in the room. I caught hold of the side of the mattress carefully. So I caught the mattress carefully in my hand and very slowly drew it towards me. And I stretched my mattress towards me with care. I came away followed by the sheet and rest of the bedclothes. When I was stretching my mattress towards me, so all the bed clothes, including pillow and bed sheet, all they come along with the mattress. I dragged all these objects into the very middle of the room. So I dragged all these objects in the middle of the room and all these things facing to the door in the room. There at some distance from the bedstead that I could not trust and the corner which had filled me with such anxiety, I made myself bed all over again as well as I could. So I stretched. I dragged all my objects into the very middle of the room, facing the door. There, at some distance from middle of the room, so at some distance in the middle of the room, uh, there was a bedstead. That bedstead means bed frame, which was lying on in the room because I dragged out all the mattress now, so the bed frame only is lying at a side. So that bed frame I could not trust, and the corner which had filled me with such an anxiety. So the bed frame which was lying aside, so it was not trustworthy. I thought that there was a prank, some prank was there, which was made by my friends. So I was very doubtful to at looking at that bed frame. I made my bed all over again, so I prepared I my bed again as well as I could, as well as I can able to do. So I prepare my bed again. Then I extinguished all the candles and groping my way to my new made bed on the floor. So I made my bed all over again as well I could. Then I extinguished all my candles. After that, I uh, put off all my candles in the room and grouping and moving certainly by touching the things around myself and that I could not see in the dark. My way to my newly made bed on the floor. So I slipped under the bed clothes. So after that, I went slowly into my bed clothes. For at least another hour, I remained awake. For another hour, I remained awake and uh, awake. I remained awake. मैं जागता रहा अगले 1 घंटे तक. Starting at the slightest sound, everything seemed quiet in the house. I felt asleep. So I was listening. Is anything around the room? I was waiting for the sound made by my friends. So everything seems quiet in the house, but nothing was there. Everything seems very quiet in the house. When I was sure that everything is normal, so I felt asleep. I must have been in a deep sleep for a long time. So I must have been in a deep sleep for a long time. All of a sudden, I was awake with a start by a heavy body crumbling down right on top of me. So all of a sudden, what happened? A heavy body come on my body. So I was awakened by this movement, and I was very cautious to know what happened to me. So at the same time, I received on my face, my neck, and my chest a burning liquid which made me utter a howl of pain. So when I was trying to thinking what happened to me, at the same time, what happened? I received a liquid on my chest, my face, on my neck, and it was burning liquid, and utter pain I was received, and a dreadful noise as if a sideboard laden with plates and dishes had fallen down almost defended me. So when I was receiving a lot of pain with the liquid, burning liquid, uh, and a dreadful noise, and a dreadful noise as if a sideboard laden with the plates and dishes had fallen down almost defended me. So very sparkly noise come, and the sideboard means a cupboard in which we kept all the plate and dishes uh, for the dinner, for taking meals. So all that sideboard fallen down all of a sudden, and it defend me almost. The weight that had fallen upon me was crushing me and preventing me from moving. So the weight which fallen on upon me was crushing me and preventing me from moving. So I was unable to move here and there because I have received uh, lot of weight upon me. I was getting smoother breathe it. So I was unable to breathe because uh, my face was covered by an unknown weight. I don't know what has fallen on my face. It stretched out my hand to find out what was the nature of the object. So I stretched out my hand and I was trying to know what has fallen on my face. So what was the thing which had fallen on my face? I felt a face, a nose, and uh, whiskers. So that face and my nose and my hair on my face means beard. So all are covered with that, stuck on my face, my nose and my beard. So with all my strength, I struck a blow at this face. So with my all power, I struck a blow at this on my face, at my face. But I immediately received a uh, shower of slabs, which made me jump straight out of the soaked streets. So I struck a blow at my face. I immediately received a shower of slabs. So at the same time, immediately I received a shower of slabs. Slow with fallen things which was fallen on my face, which made me jump straight out and soak sheets. So all these things I jumped out and stand straight. The floor, the door of the room was open. So at the same time, the door of the room was open. I rushed into the corridor in my night shirt and I rushed to the corridor in my night dress. Oh heavens, it was broad daylight. So when I was come into the corridor, I came into the corridor, I saw that it was a day and the sun was shining brightly. So, oh heavens, it was a broad daylight. The noise brought my friends hurrying to the spot. So, all the noise uh, of my friends hurrying to the spot. So, the all the noise was means when the things was going on into the bedroom. So the noise with that noise, my friends come to the room. They are hurrying to the spot. They are coming to the spot where all the things are happening. So as I looked into the room with them, I found lying on my improvised bed. So as I look into the room, as I go through and look into the room, with my friends, with them, I found that lying on my improvised bed, this made velvet. So I found that everything was okay in my bed, and the velvet curtains were shocked and upset. All the things were upset because of that um, incident happened in the room. While bringing me my morning cup of tea, I had tripped over the unexpected bag in the middle of the floor and fallen on this stomach, spilling my breakfast over my face. While bringing me my morning cup of tea. So when I have to receive my cup of tea in the morning, he had tripped over the unexpected bed in the middle of the room. Means the waiter who was come inside in the room when I was lying in the room. So he does not expected that my bed was lying on the floor. He was open the door and entering the room. He did not uh, looked that I was lying on the floor. So when he was coming in the room, he had a cup of tea and my breakfast in the tray. And when he entered, he slipped because I was lying on the floor. He did not watch me that I was lying my bed on the floor. So he was slept and all that things now means my cup of tea and whatever breakfast he brought for me was fallen down on me, and the waiter who entered in the room, he also fell on my body. So all the things was stretched here and there. So tripped over the unexpected bed in the middle of the floor and fallen on his stomach, slipping my breakfast over my face. So all the thing spilling my breakfast and over my face. I had taken many precautions by closing the shutters and going to sleep in the middle of the room. So I have taken all the precaution before going to bed, before going to sleep. So by closing all the shutter, all the windows and going to sleep in the middle of the room, but those every precaution had brought about the practical joke. But with all the precaution, I was brought about the practical joke. I had been lying, I have been trying to avoid. I am avoiding to be a practical joke of my friend, but suddenly, of all of the sudden, I was made a practical joke on me by not my friend, by all of sudden. Oh, how they all laughed that day. So everybody was laughing all the day, that all laughed all the day with that thing. So they enjoyed a lot to think what happened to me that day. That is the end of your lesson, and we will do the exercise in the next session, and rest of all, you do one thing, write all the word meaning from your uh, book. There are some word meaning at the side of the lesson, so you write all the word meaning in your copy, and in the next session we start question answer. Thank you. Be safe at home.